Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the BreezaMax from Qinux. But before I get into that, a lot of you guys have been messaging me, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for you the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it here open up on Amazon, and this is what it looks like. It is basically another one of those dropship products from Alibaba or China. And basically, I'm just gonna say it, guys, that this product is a scam, since what they claim is they can cool an entire room, which is impossible, since it's very small. As you can see, it is very small, just the size of your hand or your forearm. And where will it get the power from? So as you can see, it says instant cooling, dual power options, and a lot more. So there are a lot of products like these that have just the same name, or say different name, but the same quality. So as you can see, this is what the others look like. They have this different names. For example, this one is named Sharum, this one is named Cooling Ace Sharum, and this one is named Midgelife, or a lot more, or Coldies, and Too Pale, Libby Cooling, and a lot more. So please, guys, stay away from this product. This is just a fan. It cannot cool an entire room. There's basically zero cooling. So as you can see, don't waste your money. Why did you pick this product versus others? It's just basic fan. And yeah, this review says it all. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.